ये ऑर्डर को कल से हम कल देर रात को मिलने के बाद और इसका गहन अध्ययन करने के बाद, जैसा कि हमारे साथी सत्यपाल जैन जी ने बताया कि इसमें जो कमियां हैं, खामियां हैं, उनको मद्देनज़र रखते हुए हम परसों, उसका कारण है कि हमारे सारे नेता कल कैंपेन के लिए, राष्ट्रपति चुनाव के कैंपेन के लिए दिल्ली से बाहर रहेंगे। परसों हम चुनाव आयुक्त के चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर से आरओ के खिलाफ याचिका देने के लिए जाएंगे और उसमें हम इसको हाईलाइट करेंगे कि किस तरह से राष्ट्रपति के चुनाव का सुपरिटेंडेंस जो है और कंट्रोल जो है वो चीफ इलेक्शन कमिश्नर को भारतीय संविधान के अनुच्छेद 324 के तहत सारे अधिकार प्राप्त हैं और उनके अधीन एक चुनाव अधिकारी, रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर, अगर कोई गलत आदेश देता है तो उसको पुनः उस पूरी कार्रवाई को खोलने का या उस पर विचार करने का अधिकार उनको प्राप्त है। तो ये सारी व्यवस्था के लिए हम परसों उनके पास जाएंगे और हम इसकी मांग करेंगे कि ये जो गलती है इसको सुधारने की पहल की जाए।
सर, पर चुनाव आयोग ये कह रहा है कि वो कंप्लीट अथॉरिटी है, रिटर्निंग ऑफिसर चुनाव आयोग।
I'll come to that. I'll come to that. Let me. You have just heard Satyapal Jain. There is it is not a complete order. He has not dealt all the objections, and he has left those certain important objections, to be decided by some other forum. But as per law, it is the returning officer, when the eligibility of the candidate challenged by the candidate, it should be settled then and there in presence of those objection or those who are talking about speaking about in favor of the nomination by the returning officer. It should not be deferred or it should not be left for any other forum. He has failed to give the order in full. He has not addressed those issues. So for that we have decided that day after tomorrow we will go to the Chief Election Commissioner, because the Chief Election Commissioner has the authority under Article 324, the superintendence of the presidential election and control. So under him only the returning officer, he appointed the returning officer. Now if any returning officer has done wrong or taken a wrong decision, it can be ratified or re-inquired by the Chief Election Commissioner only. So we will take it up with the Chief Election Commissioner on. Now certainly we are going to complain on this, and we are going to complain with logic, and we are going to submit those papers, the relevant papers, and in the meantime, because this 55-page document which he has not sent us the objection verbatim, although he has sent the proceeding of the third, not the proceeding of the second. Today again we have written to the returning officer to send us the full verbatim copy of second when we raised this objection, and what was the reaction of the representative of Pranab Mukherjee. So we are waiting for that paper also. So tomorrow our candidate and other senior leaders are going to Ahmedabad in pursuance of our campaign, and now we have today decided certain states. I will tell you that tomorrow he is going to Ahmedabad, and on 8th he is going to Bhopal, and 8th same day he is going to Goa. Then on 9th he is going to Mumbai, 11th he is going to Lucknow, and on 12th he is going to Raipur, Chhattisgarh, and then on 14th he is going to Patna, 15th he is going to Bhubaneswar, and same day he is going to Guwahati, where he is meeting all the northeastern states. Then 16th he is going to Jaipur, and 17th he is going to Bangalore. So the campaign is going on full swing, but simultaneously our legal advisors and legal team is working on this proposition also, the order, and we will go and meet the Chief Election Commissioner on Saturday. And in the meantime, today, our Calcutta branch, our West Bengal branch, they went to the Indian Statistical Institute to see the original papers of resignation and the procedure adopted by the institute to accept the resignation. When they reached with the request to examine the documents under Right of Information Act, so they were told by the senior officers that the nodal officer is not here. He is away on tour to Nagpur and he is not available for another 10-15 days. He will come, then only we can address the issue. In the meantime, they said ki you are going to, this RTI permits you to get the whole thing within 30 days. We will provide you by that time. And in the meantime, we will call you when the nodal officer will come. But by 2:30, about 3,000 young people, they gherowed the ISI office. And when they gherowed the ISI office, then they allowed a delegation to go in. And they met one senior officer. He said, when they asked him whether the chairman was elected by the council or by nominated by the president, he said, no, he was elected by the council. Then said, while accepting the resignation, whether a council meeting was called, they said no. They asked him whether you are going to call a council meeting to get it ratified. He said, I am not aware of that. So this is the situation. It seems they want to destroy the documents also. So in the meantime, we are proceeding in this direction also, but we will meet the Chief Election Commissioner on Saturday.